the today topic from neuronal and hormonal control of the heart. So, introduction: neuronal control of the heart, second, hormonal control of the heart, and third, difference between the neuronal and hormonal control of the heart. So, first, neuronal control of the heart. The heart it regulates the activity through its neuromuscular tissue. That is why heart is known as myogenic heart. But heart activity also controlled by the brain through a central called as a medulla oblongata. Now, medulla oblongata is connected to the heart through two nerves. That is cardioaccelerator and second one is cardioinhibitor. Cardioaccelerator, these sympathetic nerve and cardioinhibitor that is parasympathetic nerve. Sympathetic nerve is also known as the accelerator nerve because accelerate the heart activity. Another one is parasympathetic nerve, which is vagus nerve. It inhibits the heart activity. So impulses of sensory nerve through past medulla oblongata, this signal. There are three receptors are present. So first superior vena cava, second aorta, and third carotid sinus. Superior vena cava, the accelerated cardio, and carotid sinus, the inhibitor cardio. This because parasympathetic nerve. So see figure, nervous control of the heart rate. So accelerator nerve, sympathetic nerve. When stimulated, release the neurotransmitter at the AC node to increase the heart rate. Then vagus nerve, that is parasympathetic nerve. When stimulated, release the neurotransmitter at the AC node to decrease heart rate. Numerous sympathetic nerve also linked to two ventricles where they increase the force of contraction of the chamber, the control of the activity of heart. So next, hormonal control of the heart. There are two types of control of the heart: adrenaline and second noradrenaline. Adrenaline accelerate heartbeat at the time of emergency, and second noradrenaline accelerate the heartbeat under normal condition. So next, difference between the neuronal control and hormonal control of the heart. So first, neuronal control of the heart. Neuronal types of signal, that is electrical and chemical of synapses. And second, the transmission of the signal by nerve cell. Third, the effect of muscle contraction or secretion, speed of response very rapid. Second, hormonal control. The type of signal in chemical, the transmission of signal by the bloodstream, the effect of chemical changes, and fourth, the speed of response very slow. So I hope guys you understand the information neuronal and hormonal control of the heart. Thank you.